It's me. I'm alone.
Where'd you find me?
I looked you up. You're still in our system. Isn't this your aunt's apartment?
I own this place.
Nobody's looking for you.
What do you want?
I was curious. You know, I never thought you'd amount to much, but methamphetamine? I never pictured that. A lot of money in it, huh?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Captain Cook, that's not you. Like I said, nobody is looking for you.
I don't know what you're trying to do here, Mrs. White. If you're trying to give me some bullshit about giving to Jesus or turning myself in.
No.
No fucking speeches. I want to hear them.
One speech. You lost your guy today. What was his name? Emilio? He's helping you cook. Emilio was arrested by the DEA, and they took your lab, your money, everything. You're back at square one. But you know the business, and I know the chemistry. I was thinking, maybe you and I team up.
You want to cook crystal meth? With you and me?
Is that or I turn you in? Think about it.